What's the meaning of banisters? Banisters. Banisters.
Banisters. Banisters. Banisters refer to the handrail and supporting posts or balusters that are installed along staircases or balconies to provide support and safety. They are essential components of any structure with elevated areas, serving as a barrier to prevent people from falling off or slipping down the stairs. Banisters can be made of various materials such as wood, metal, or glass, and often serve as an aesthetic component of the architecture or interior design. Without banisters, staircases and balconies would be hazardous to use, and accidents could occur easily. Therefore, they play a crucial role in ensuring safety and security in buildings and homes alike.